Hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes. I'm the co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and novel platform. Here we talk about how to make money online. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can do arbitrage on ByBit. How you can do arbitrage on ByBit. So I will not go all that deep. So I want to show you much more about it. So later on, I'll go deep. And if you want to join my crypto class too, you can chat me and I'll add you. Yeah. So if you download ByBit and register, so I will leave their link in the description in case you want to register and be on ByBit. It's also a crypto wallet and that's very nice. Yeah, so when you open ByBit, this is how the ByBit interface looks like. Yeah, you see we have a lot of here: buy in, invite friends, reward hub, copy trading, trading bot, and if you click on more so you see a lot P2P trading and everything over here. You see, yeah. So let me go to my assets and see. So right now currently I'm having just 5.53 USD in my accounts, and that's what I'll be using it to do my tutorial for you to see. So when I come to my down, you see that we have accounts, we have funding, undefined trading, and what inverse derivatives. Yeah, so all these things I'll explain all these things to you. Yeah, so let me start with the funding. So the funding account is good, like it's good for P2P trading. It's where your money is like safe and sound. And if you want to do the arbitrage, your money have to be on the undefined trading. Yeah, so let me show you. So if you want to start the arbitrage on ByBit, you just click on market. So if you click on market, this is what the trending is going right now. BTC USDT is 60,000 plus, Ethereum USDT is 3,000 plus, Solana USDT is 135. So it goes on like that. Yeah, so I've seen that we have perpetual, we have future, we have option, and we have arbitrage. So I'll go up and click on the arbitrage. I've seen that. Yeah, so when I come to the arbitrage, we have founding rate and we have spread rate, but we'll be tackling the funding rate first. So if we want to start the arbitrage, you see we have a lot of here. We have Block USDT, we have ENA USDT, USDT, ARB USDC, we have STRK USDC. So it goes on like that. So if we see where the opportunity is, then you start your arbitrage. I said I'll go deep in my class. So if you want to join my class and understand much about the arbitrage on ByBit, yeah, you can join it at a cool rate and I'll show you a lot. So let's click on the first one. So when I click on the first one, you see that we have buy and we have shorts. The short is the sell, the green is the buy, and the red is the sell. Yeah, and the available is 0. So before you can start your arbitrage on ByBit, your money shouldn't be in the funding wallet. Your money should be in the undefined wallet. So you will click on the 0 USDT here and you go to transfer. So transfer, that means you're transferring your money from the funding to the undefined trading accounts. From the funding account to the undefined trading accounts. So you can click on the amount, let's say 5.5. Then you have to confirm it and it will exchange it to undefined account. Are you seeing it? So let me exchange it for you to see. So let me exchange just one for you to see, like one. Yeah. So have you seen that right now the available right now is what I have one USDT over here. Yeah, so the one USDT over here, if I click on sell, that means I'm ready to sell. And if I click on trade both legs, that means I'm ready to do the both legs. Is that thing? Yeah. So that's simple. Everything the buy is just one USDT is right now available over there. Yeah. So if you want to join the arbitrage on ByBit, your money shouldn't be in the funding wallet, because a lot of people say that, yeah, I don't know the reason why I've deposited money in my account, but when I go to the arbitrage, it's not showing. That is why I've shown you how you can transfer your money from the funding wallet to the undefined wallet, so that you can use that one to do your arbitrage and get profit from it. You see, yeah. And in my class, I'll go deep and explain the spreadsheet, everything, the spread rate too, for you to see everything. Yeah. So this is how you do it. So let me go back and show you something. So let's say right now the ENA USDT, let me click on it. So right now the buy rate, the buy rate 0.5478 and the sell 0.5467. So it means that if I'm buying at 0.5478. If I'm selling at 0.5467 with one USDT. I hope you get it. So you can also read your candlesticks over here too. Yeah. And all these things, I will explain everything further to you when you join my crypto class. Yeah. So people were saying that when they want to do the arbitrage on the ByBit, they don't see their money. That's why I'm doing this video. Yeah, that's why I'm doing this video, to create awareness for you to see. Yeah, because mostly I don't do this for free. Yeah. So this is it, and this is how you do your arbitrage and transfer your money to your undefined wallet and start your arbitrage on ByBit. So thank you.